how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. So if you want to verify Bitcoin on Cash App, once you make sure that you've downloaded the Cash App application, simply open up your Cash App and make sure that you're signed into your account. From here, you want to come to the Bitcoin tab that you can see from the bottom right, and from the tab you will see continue option that says we need a little more information. So we have to verify our Cash App account to verify Bitcoin. Once we're here, you'll see any of the reasons as to why you use Bitcoin. Select those options, select your main source of income, then select the employment status and whatever else it is that you prefer. Once done, it will ask you for your job title, so enter your job title and hit the next button. Now Bitcoin withdrawals and deposits will be successfully enabled after you verified your identity. Now once done, if you want to deposit or withdraw Bitcoin, you can come to the Bitcoin tab. This time you'll find the view Bitcoin address option. Just there you'll be able to see your Bitcoin address, and if you want to copy it, you can copy it or do whatever else as you prefer. So this way you'll be able to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.